Hello, Master Manifester. How can emotional intelligence help you manifest your desires? Manifestation is really just an experience of reality, a state of feeling. And when you talk about manifesting something, a lot of the times we talk about outcomes, but it's not really an outcome. It's more like a story point, a chapter. Because once you get to that point, your story is going to continue, and that's just going to be part of your life. So let's say you're manifesting $10,000, right? Just easy kind of idea, $10,000. So when the $10,000 arrives, it's not really life altering, even when it is, even if it were 10 million. Because what happens is eventually you get into a state of homeostasis where it feels normal. This is just your everyday identity. And actually, in manifestation, when it gets to that point beforehand, because that brings through the opportunities for everything to unfold in our reality, because everything's available. Like a lot more of reality is available than our brain allows us to perceive, right? So when we're manifesting, we're opening up that identity and also the emotional identity, because we all have emotional cycles and patterns. And these are often very predictable based on, hormone levels, gut, lots of different things contribute to the emotional patterns. What can disrupt it is sleep patterns. If you're not getting good sleep, if you get sick, if you get injured, those things will, wear down your system and basically destabilize what is usual. Now, that's okay if that happens because you can always bring it back to it. So, emotional intelligence and being able to name the things that you're feeling really helps you to identify the experience in your body before your mind starts interpreting what it means. Now, your mind does this for lots of reasons. It's pulling from your memories, your beliefs, previous experiences. It's trying to keep you safe. This is the bottom line of everything that your body and mind is doing, is trying to keep you safe, trying to predict what's going to happen next, and trying to be successful for whatever it is that you think of that you want. So, noticing your emotional patterns and cycles and naming these emotions and paying attention to those details can really help you to shift that emotional identity when you're trying to manifest something new. And also, excuse me, making sure to fully feel into and relax your body before you try to rewrite anything is really helpful. You can't do reprogramming and neural reprogramming in your identity, in your brain, in your body if you're stressed out and in fight or flight. So, deep breathing, relaxing, making sure that you're in a stable state before you start trying to affirm or journal is really going to help, solidify that new state without so much resistance, without so much attachment. I hope this has helped you to understand a little bit about emotional intelligence and manifestation. Please like and subscribe and sign up for the Method Muse newsletter in the description below.